Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced controller not working. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna open Steam. Once in Steam, you wanna go to your game, right click on the game, go to properties, go to controller, and you wanna switch this. If it's disabled, you wanna put it on default and see if it works. If that doesn't work, then you can click on enable Steam input and see if that works. Now, if nothing works, you can also disable it. And you want to exit out of this. Now you want to go into Steam, go to settings, click on the controller from the list. Now click on show advanced settings. And now here you want to switch. If you have an Xbox controller, you want to enable this. If you have a PS5 controller or want to enable this, Switch controller, generic, etc. If you have an Xbox controller, you can also install the driver for it. It works better. Make sure that this is ticked for your version of the controller. I have a PS5 controller. After you've done that, if nothing works, you want to open here and expand the Bluetooth, go to more Bluetooth settings. Now click here, view more devices. In my case, I have a PS5 controller. You want to remove it from the list. And after it's gone from the list, you want to click here, add a device, click Bluetooth, and now you want to press select button and home button on your DualSense controller till it starts blinking quickly, and you want to click connect, and now you want to click done. Now you want to turn on your controller again and it should work properly. And after you manage to connect your controller, exit out of this and then relaunch the game. Now what you can try also is launching the game first and then connecting your controller. Now if that doesn't work, what you can always try is simply plugging in your controller via cable and then playing the game, and then it should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced controller not working. I hope that this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.